Welcome back to PepTalk SelfTalk, where we embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Today's topic is one that touches the very core of our being: the inner voice and personal growth. Embracing change. Our inner voice plays a significant role in shaping our lives, and by learning to embrace change, we unlock the doors to a more fulfilling and empowered existence. Are you ready to dive in and connect with your inner self? Let's get started. 1. Acknowledging the inner voice. Each one of us has an inner voice, a constant stream of thoughts, beliefs, and emotions that influence how we perceive ourselves and the world around us. It's essential to recognize and acknowledge this inner voice, as it can be both a source of strength and a barrier to personal growth. 2. The power of self-reflection. To understand our inner voice better, we must practice self-reflection. Take some quiet time each day to pause, breathe, and listen to your thoughts without judgment. What is your inner voice saying? Is it lifting you up or holding you back? Embrace this process of self-discovery with compassion and an open heart. 3. Embracing change. Change is an inevitable part of life, and by embracing it, we open ourselves up to endless possibilities. Our inner voice might resist change out of fear or uncertainty, but remember, personal growth happens when we step outside our comfort zones and take on new challenges. 4. Turning challenges into opportunities. Challenges are not roadblocks. They are opportunities for growth. When faced with obstacles, listen to your inner voice, but also question its limiting beliefs. Challenge yourself to reframe negative thoughts into positive affirmations. Believe in your resilience and ability to overcome any adversity that comes your way. 5. Cultivating a growth mindset. Cultivating a growth mindset is key to unlocking your potential. Embrace the idea that you can learn, improve, and grow with dedication and effort. Your inner voice may have doubts, but by adopting a growth mindset, you transform those doubts into stepping stones towards personal development. 6. Setting goals and taking action. Goal setting is an empowering tool that aligns your inner voice with your aspirations. Set clear, achievable goals and break them down into actionable steps. Each small step forward brings you closer to the person you aspire to be. Celebrate your progress and keep moving with unwavering determination. As we conclude today's pep talk, I want you to remember that embracing change and nurturing your inner voice is a lifelong journey. Be patient with yourself, and don't be afraid to seek support from loved ones or professionals when needed. Together, we can achieve personal growth and live our best lives. If you found this talk valuable, hit that like button and share it with others on their path to self-discovery. Until next time, keep listening to that inner voice, embrace change, and remember that you are capable of greatness. This is PepTalk SelfTalk, signing off.